Becoming an Army Ranger is a prestigious achievement that requires dedication, physical endurance, and mental toughness. The U.S. Army Rangers are an elite group of soldiers specializing in direct action raids, reconnaissance, and other critical combat missions. If you're determined to become an Army Ranger, here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve that goal. Step 1. Meet basic eligibility requirements. To become an Army Ranger, you must first enlist in the U.S. Army. You need to meet basic requirements such as being a U.S. citizen, aged between 17 and 34, and having a high school diploma or GED. Additionally, you must pass a physical fitness test and maintain good physical health. Step 2. Join the U.S. Army. After meeting the basic qualifications, enlist in the Army, choosing an MOS military occupational specialty that aligns with Ranger training. While there is no specific MOS requirement, most Rangers have infantry, artillery, or combat support jobs. Step 3. Complete basic training. All new soldiers must go through basic combat training at a U.S. Army base. This training lasts around 10 weeks and focuses on physical fitness, weapons handling, tactics, and discipline. Step 4. Attend Airborne School. Army Rangers are required to complete Airborne School, which trains soldiers to safely jump from aircraft. The training lasts 3 weeks and includes learning various parachuting techniques and jumping from planes. Step 5. Apply for Ranger School. Once you've completed Airborne School, you can apply for Ranger School, a 61-day program that takes place at Fort Benning, Georgia. The course is extremely challenging, testing your physical endurance, leadership skills, and ability to function under stress. Step 6. Graduate Ranger School. Successfully completing Ranger School earns you the coveted Ranger tab. While this doesn't automatically make you a member of the 75th Ranger Regiment, it qualifies you to serve in elite Ranger units. Step 7. Join the 75th Ranger Regiment. The final step is joining the 75th Ranger Regiment, where you'll undergo further training and be assigned to specialized units ready for high-stakes missions.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.